Hello students, today we are going to write exercise 6.3 question number 2 multiply number 1 342 by 175. So first we will write the question 342 multiply by 175. Okay, so first we will start with the ones place digit, that is 5. So 5 to the 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 5 4 the 20, 20 plus 1 21. So 1 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. Now 5 3 the 15, 15 plus 2 17. Now we will multiply by 7. So before that what we will do, we will write here 1 0 in second step. Then 7 to the 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 7 4 is 28, 28 plus 1 29. So 9 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. Now 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 2 23. Now we will multiply by hundreds place digit, that is 1. So here what we will do first, we will write here 2 zeros. So now 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4, 1 3 is 3. Now we will add 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 2 18. So 8 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, then 2 plus 3 5. So our answer is 59,850. Now number 2 450 by 233. So first we will write the question 450 multiply by 233. So first we will start with the ones place digit, that is 3. So 3 zeros are 0. Any number we will multiply by 0, we will get 0 only. Okay. 3 5 are 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 3 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 13. Now we will multiply by 3. Before that in second step we will write 1 0. Again 3 zeros are 0. 3 5 are 15. So 5 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 3 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 13. So 13 we will write here. Okay. Then now we will multiply by 2. So before that we will write here 2 zeros. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 5 are 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 2 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 9. So now we will multiply 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 0 5. Now 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 0 8. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 0 4. 1 plus 9 10. So our answer is 1,04,850. Now number 3 575 by 471. So 575 multiply by 471. So now we will start multiplying by ones place digit, that is 1. So 1 5 is 5, 1 7 is 7, 1 5 is 5. Now we will multiply by 7. Before that we will write here 1 0. 7 5 is 35. So 5 we will write down and 3 will be carried over. 7 7 is 49. 49 plus 3 52. So 2 we will write down. 5 will be carried over. Now 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 40. Now we will multiply by 4. Before that here we will write 2 zeros. 4 5 is 20. So 0 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 4 7 is 28, 28 plus 2 30. So 0 we will write down, 3 will be carried over. 4 5 is 20, 20 plus 3 23. So now we will add 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 0 5. 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 0 12. So 2 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 0 8. 0 plus 0 0, 4 plus 3 7, and this 2 we will carry it down. So our answer is 2,70,825. Now number 4 195 by 123. So 195 multiply by 123. So we will start from 3 ones place digit. 3 5s are 15. So 5 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1 28. 8 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 5. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write here 1 0. 2 5s are 10. So 0 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. So 9 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Now we will multiply by 1. Before that here we will write 2 zeros. 1 5s are 5. 1 9s are 9 and 1 1s are 1. Now we will add 5 plus 0 that we will get 5. 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 0 8. 5 plus 9 14. 14 plus 5 19. So 9 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 9 13. So 3 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 1 2. So our answer is 23,985. Now number 5, 280 by 215. So 280 multiply by 215. So first we will start with 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 8s are 40. So 0 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. Now we will multiply by 1. Before that we will write here 1 0. 1 0 is a 0. 1 8 is a 8. 1 2 is a 2. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write here 2 zeros. 2 zeros is a 0. 2 8 is a 16. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 2 is a 4. 4 plus 1 5. Now we will add 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. Same here also 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 4 plus 8 12. 12 plus 0 12. So 2 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 6 10. So 0 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. Then 1 plus 5 6. So our answer is 60,200. Now number 6. 673 by 148. So 673 multiply by 148. So we will start from 1's place, that is 8. 8 3s are 24. So 4 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2 58. So 8 we will write down. 5 will be carried over. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5 53. Now we will multiply by 4. Before that we will write here 1 0. 4 3s are 12. So 2 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. So 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1 29. So 9 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 26. Now we will multiply by 1. Before that we will write here 2 zeros. 1 3 is a 3. 1 7 is a 7. 1 6 is a 6. Now we will add 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 0 4. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 0 10. So 0 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 3 16. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 7 19. So 9 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 6 9. So our answer is 99,604. Now question number 3, estimate the product. So number 1, 27 multiply by 32. Okay, so here multiplication sum is given. First we have to do the round off, then we have to multiply, means we have to estimate that. Okay, so 27. So how we will round off this? So for if 1 to 4 is there in one's place, so here we have to find out the nearer tens, right? So 1 to 4, so we will see the down tens. Okay, if it is 5 to 9, so we will see the up tens. Okay, so for here 7 is there, so in 5 to 9 7 will come, so we will see the up tens, means up tens means it will come 30. Okay, so nearer tens is 30. now here 32. So here 2 is there, so it will come 1 to 4. So we will see the down tens, means down tens means 30. So now we will multiply. So 0 0 is a 0, 0 3 is a 0. Here we will multiply by 3. First, before that we will write 1 0. 3 0 is a 0, 3 3 is a 9. So now we will add 0, then 9. So our answer is 900. Okay. Now number 2, 653. So first here we have to make it a nearer 100, means 653. So 53 means it is above 5, right? It is coming in 5. So we will take the up hundreds, means we can take 700. Okay, then multiply by 40. So 2 is there, means we will take the down tens. So we will take 40. Now we will multiply. 0 0 is a 0, 0 0 is a 0, 0 7 is a 0. Then we will multiply by 4. Here we will write 1 0. 4 0 is a 0, 4 0 is a 0, 4 7 is a 28. So now we will add 8 2. So our answer is 28,000.